Alright, today's video regarding Canon PIXMA TS3300 series printer. So I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge. Now first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button. So printer compartment is hidden and you just have to open this door like this and wait for the ink cartridges to come in the middle. So once the ink cartridges have moved into the middle, you can just press it downwards and take it out one by one. So it's quite deep inside, so you might have to go and look inside. Now to install the new ink cartridges, just slide it inwards and push it and it will lock itself. Place the color and the black according to there, and the ink cartridge number is 243 as you can see here. And you can also use ink cartridge number 245, 246, 244. So it's quite compatible with the few printers. So this way we install the ink cartridges. Once it is done, you can just close the door, and now we are ready to use it. You can also now you can check on the main screen if there is any error or not, and if everything is okay, that means we are ready to use this now. Thanks for watching.